Welcome back, YouTubers. This is Roger with Gateway Cycles, back with you again. And I have a nice new machine for you today. I just got back from a test drive on this. Wonderful machine. This is a 2007 Harley Davidson Softail Custom. It's got some custom pipes on it, look to be Cobras, 96 cubic inch V-twin, 21 inch front wheel. Let's do a walk around here real quick. Nice two-tone, looks to be a teal and cream color, kind of a nostalgic paint scheme. I had a bike very similar to this. I had a Springer, a couple of years older than this. Wonderful bike. This thing rides really great. Got about 6,800 miles on it. Nice chrome package on it. Got some add-on saddlebags, bobbed rear fender. Let's get a shot of the dash here. There we go, 6876 on the mileage, and while we're here, we might as well crank her up. Oh, nothing like that Harley V-twin. Let's get a shot of it here. Guys, that's motorcycling the way motorcycling should be. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check out this machine yourself, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget about our Facebook page, Gateway Cycles. And please hit that like and subscribe button. Let us know you like the videos. We'll try to get more out to you. And feel free to leave any comments, and I'll try to get videos out as best I can, guys. Thanks for watching.